What's up YouTube? What's up TikTok? What's up Instagram? This your boy Josh, and I'm back with another video. Y'all don't mind me. I don't know why I'm using my hands while I'm talking. So I made this video for mostly musicians. So I had some musicians that asked me like what I use for my content that I record whenever I'm playing, because as you know, if you watch me, well, as you know, I play. I'm a musician, and also I do record myself playing and just like doing it and editing and this everything. So I'm gonna first show you what I use, and after I show you what I use, I'm gonna recommend some stuff to you if you wanna, use some different basically. For the video, I use GoPro Hero 9, and I'm gonna have all this stuff in the link in the bio. But this is a GoPro Hero 9. I like it's pretty good. I like using it when I'm playing every time. You can also use your phone when recording as well, because I was just using my phone probably a month ago, and yeah, but mainly I just use the GoPro Hero 9. It's just good to use. And for my tripod, I use Ulanzi. This is an extendable tripod, and it's really good. That's how I just hold all my stuff. Or sometimes I use like I use a small tripod like this. And yeah, for the audio, I use an Irig 2. This is what I use right here. The Irig 2. You cannot go wrong with the Irig 2. This a basic one. It's about a $40, $50 interface, and it goes good. Also, if I'm not using my Irig, like tomorrow at church, I'm gonna use something different. And this is like a setup I kind of made last year. Let me tell you this story right quick. So if you've been watching me over a year, at my home church I was playing drums, and I had the camera like up here, if I could just explain this right. And for some reason my old Irig 2, it messed up, and the audio on it was just messing up and cracking. And I could probably show you an example like right here. Yeah, so this is the example. And so I was just, I like having like good audio when I'm playing. So I was trying to find something, that I could like probably use. So I was watching a couple videos, and so I just made my own. The first thing you want is a splitter. That's what I meant to say earlier. Get you a splitter. Get you like a 1/4 inch to like an 8-inch cord. 1/4 inch to 8-inch cord, and the 1/4 inch going to go to this guitar right here, plug, and then to your Irig, and plug the other end to your splitter. But that's what I meant to say. Get you a splitter first. So get you a splitter, and how I set mine up, made my own. I got me a splitter, got me like an aux cable, right here, and this is where my headphones gonna go. And I had got me like a volume control knob like this, and this like control your volume. I'm actually using my phone adapter and also my lightning adapter to use this mic. I might take it out to show y'all. Alright y'all, so I'm not using the mic right now, but you connect the volume control knob to your phone adapter like this, and then you want to get you a lightning adapter. If you have an iPhone, you want to get you a lightning adapter, and if you have Android, I guess you can just use it like this, or like use a USB-C adapter. And also with the new iPhones, you can use the USB-C as well. Another way, if you want to connect it to a camera, this is how I do it. I get me an adapter for the camera, which is called a TRS adapter. I hope I'm explaining this right. I'm gonna connect my mic back to the phone. Alright y'all, so I'm back. Got the mic plugged back in. But as I was trying to say, whenever you want to connect like audio, like your Irig or like an aux cable, because you could use an aux cable to this, but to do all that you need a media mod. This is basically like a mic adapter. So this is where you plug like your aux or like your aux cable or your Irig, and this one is like where you charge it. If y'all can see, this is where you charge it. But me, I get to use most of like my Irigs or just simply like my Irig. I use this, a camera adapter, a TRS one, and it helps out good. So I hope I'm explaining all this good. I don't really do videos like this. This is my first one basically. But yeah, that's the setup I use. Now I want to recommend some stuff if you don't want to use this stuff. So you can always use a phone. You can always use a phone. Like I said earlier in the video, I was using my phone, and you can't go wrong with using the phone. So like I said earlier in the video, you could use an Irig right here, and all you gotta do is get you a lightning adapter right here and just plug it straight through. That's just how basic it is. But that's if you want like a basic sound. And then it's gonna come mono. Basically, mono is just have everything put together, but with stereo it's like everything just separated. And another thing I recommend is an Irig Stream. Irig Stream, this is really good. It's stereo, so if you having a stereo mix, just use your Irig Stream, and where it says mono at, I don't know if y'all can probably see it good on here, but where it says mono at, you want to have that also. It can be stereo, and on is for mono, and it comes with some good cords. But the cord I use, since I have an iPhone, I use this one right here that it comes with, the lightning cable. Okay y'all, so that gray and red cable that y'all see is called a RCA to aux cable. I meant to say that earlier, but that's how you connect to your Irig Stream from your splitter, from your inner pack. So yeah, I think that's all. Like, I hope I explained everything good for y'all. Like, I don't really do videos like this, so bear with me. But this is the aux cord I was telling y'all about. Just a basic aux cord that y'all could use like with a camera, basically. Just with a camera. Plug this into the splitter, and then plug this other end just to your camera. And yeah, I think I explained this good. Like I said, just bear with me. I don't really do videos like this. I'm gonna have everything in the link down below, so y'all could just get what y'all feel what y'all want. But thank y'all for watching. This is the end of the video. To YouTube, make sure y'all subscribe. I'm on the road to 2K subscribers. Thank you TikTok for watching. Thank you Instagram for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Click the notification bell to never miss a video. And I'm out. Peace.